In front of me is Poco C75, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Live Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then click on the top left corner. Manage all of those wallpaper settings however you want to, and when you finished, click at the top right one. Then bottom right one. Set as live wallpaper. Yes. Set wallpaper. And one of those options. Home screen or home screen and lock screen. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!